We just, you know, you have to kind of let people know about, you know, whether it's government officials, police, or just the public, that we have rights in America, and that's what it's about. It's about education.
As long as he has that fishing pole in his hand and he says he's going fishing, he can carry a firearm on him.
Okay.
An open firearm?
Open carry firearm.
Yeah.
That's correct.
And I want to give a huge shout out to Green Side Up Sprinkler Repair out of Port Orange, Florida. They reached out to me and they sent me a little card, and thank you so much, because I know what was inside that card, so it was greatly appreciated. And then I also want to say Wayne H. out of California. I think you know who you are. I sent you an email saying I would say this, and you will see this again. Thank you to both of you. Thank you to everybody that has ever donated. If I haven't, I'm trying to get back into saying thank you to those that donate. You know, sometimes I just get so many, it's just hard to keep up with, but I'm going to do my best and make sure I start doing it more. So I thank you to both of you. Links are in the description to Green Side Up Sprinkler Repair. Links are in the description. Check them out. If you're in the Port Orange area or the Volusia County area, reach out to them. They're a huge supporter of the channel, and I'm sure they're doing good work out there as well. So what's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and I just got the body cams from Cocoa, Florida. If you don't remember, I'm going to play a little clip just to kind of refresh you. Hey, calm down, buddy. With ARs, you had yours pointed at me.
I never pointed it at you.
It was not in a safe manner. I'll tell you that right now. That after seeing this video, you know, I told, you know, the officer I was going to get the body cams, and we were going to see exactly what happened. So now what we're about to go over, this is Officer Thompson's body cams. He's the one that approached me. He's the one that I questioned about if whatever happened. We're going to get into this video. I'll let you determine that. That being said, understand that the law allows me to openly carry a firearm while engaged in fishing, hunting, or camping under 790.25 Section 3, subsection H. The same law that allows me to do it is the same law that allows law enforcement to do it. I don't know where some of this gets lost. All I know is that, yeah. I'm going to be doing a breakdown video, and I'm going to be putting a lot of this stuff in another video in slow motion, because I think it really needs to be talked about, and I think it's something that is extremely disturbing. I'm going to get out of here. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Soliaker, deuces.
Yeah, stay there. What direction was he headed?
I was parked here.
Lavelle.
I didn't see him cross over from
64, go down there and block that intersection. I'm going to go with the deputy. We're going to cut through. Cocoa, if you haven't already, give us emergency traffic.
They're staying east down by the boat ramp.
Yeah, I'm looking from here. I'm not seeing them.
I see somebody on the far end. White t-shirt, black male.
Yeah, I think that was a description. That's not him over there, is it?
That's him right there.
That's him right there?
Right there. The one walking that way.
All right, we got eyes on. He's headed towards the pavilion. He's walking away from us.
I copy. We're
With all these vehicles in between us. We can get somebody on the north side of the bridge. Head out. He's at the old bridge now, at the fence, headed back towards the boat ramp. Alright, he's underneath the pavilion. Alright, brother, hey, do me a favor. Get out of the park. Out of the park. Out of the park. Out of the park. Out of the park now. We had a woman down there taking pictures or something. She doesn't seem very concerned.
Yeah, you just walk down the rocks right?
You say headed down the rocks?
Yeah, he's down by the water.
Hey! Hey! Taking stuff out of his bag now. Hey! Out of the park. Sir! Right here. Look at me. Keep your hands on your head.
Hey, calm down.
Put your hands on your head.
Hold on, calm down.
Put your hands on your head.
I'm not a threat, dude. I'm just fishing.
Okay.
I'm just going fishing, bro.
Put your hands on your head.
No, my hands are up, but dude, I'm not going to comply to an unlawful order. My hands are up. I'm not a threat. I'm just fishing, man. I'm just a law, bro.
Sounds like he's one of those auditors. He says he's fishing and he doesn't want to comply.
I'm not a threat, man. I'm just fishing. My hands are up, dude. I'm not a threat.
17 and he has fishing gear.
I'm going to check. He's got his hands up.
I'm not a threat.
All right.
Just fishing.
We know what you're doing. You're auditing.
Just fishing. If you know what I'm doing, then you should just leave me alone. There's 1, 2, 3 of you with ARs. You had yours pointed at me.
I never pointed it at you. I never pointed it at you. I never pointed it at you. You want me to play games?
It was not.
Where's your fishing
gear?
gear?
In a safe manner, I'll tell you that right now.
Where's your fishing gear?
It's debatable. You got a body cam? Because I'm going to request that. What's your name and badge number? Sir?
Thompson ID 17. We know
Thank
where
you.
you're here.
And yours, sir?
Where's your fishing gear?
Right there, man. This is my crab net, dude. I was out here trying to do.
He's got a crab net
for my crab, and I'm fishing. Under the law, I have to have a fishing license for this. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of you. Your name and badge number, please, sir. Name and badge number, please.
Oh Lord.
Please. Thank you. Yours. Thank you. I can't hear you from that distance. Please, sir, can you get closer so I can ID you? I haven't done anything to anybody.
1767, you headed this way?
Dude, I am scared as fuck right now because you guys are fucking out here. Dude, this is not cool, man. Not cool.
Are you headed this way?
I can show you a fishing license, but you can't even run my fishing license. Get FWC out here.
Yeah, he's auditing. He's
I'm
he's
not
recording
auditing.
and
I'm
everything.
out here fishing,
so,
dude.
Yeah, he's
Stop
looking
lying.
for trouble.
Stop being a conspirer, dude.
Have a good one, brother. Enjoy your fishing.
I'm not a threat. My hands are clear up to the sky. I just want an incident report.
Relax, brother. We know what you're doing. I'll get you a card. Relax.
Please.
Okay. Yeah. Give him my case number. He's doing the fishing, the whole auditing thing.
901-151.
TPD has allegedly got a warrant on one of these guys.
Okay.
I don't know if it's his name. It's a Smith, I think. I had 2 phone calls on the way here that TPD's actually got a warrant on one of these guys.
All right. If you want to talk to him. Your last name's Smith?
Nope. I don't answer questions.
Yeah, we know. I've watched these videos. I've watched lots of these videos at this point.
Have a good day.
I'll get you a card. I'll be back. 17, go ahead.
Excuse me, do we get a good picture of him? We can send out a bulletin. Just that fine.
Yeah, I got him on video. He's requesting a card with case number and everybody's information, so I'm going to get that for him.
No. Clear me off.
I'm being informed by SO out here that TPD might actually have a warrant on one of these guys. I don't know if there's any way to check with them.